StormDamage.com is home of your trusted restoration contractor. These are the same restoration contractors that public adjusters and storm damage attorneys call to figure out your claim. Your insurance company wants your claim settled quickly. We got your back. Nobody should have to hire an attorney to get their claim settled. In an instant, the storm hit, everything changed, and your life is upside down. If your home or building has been damaged by a devastating hurricane, tornado, or hailstorm, it's obvious you have to file a claim with your insurance company. You have a storm-damaged insurance claim. Who are the best contractors for the job? How do you keep from getting ripped off by unscrupulous contractors and insurance companies? You know it can be complicated, and you don't want to shortchange contractors or intentionally try to rip off your insurance company. Fact: your insurance company pays $2,000 to $3,000 for a professional Xactimate damage estimate. They have to. It's the only honest way to figure the legitimate unit costs and labor. Good news, homeowners: independent insurance restoration contractors use the same insurance tool, Xactimate, and combine Xactimate with decades of construction experience to outperform the adjuster's estimates, ensuring you get fairly compensated. These Xactimate estimates are expensive, but often double and triple claim estimates. Never forget, free estimates are inferior, and insurance companies don't pay them because they are not detailed line item like Xactimate. So, free estimates do not work for insurance claims. What's next? What do you do?